back here with the 2022 Shelby GT500. Last year made, Ford production Shelby. I know there's other ones out there. 760 horsepower right out of the box. Heavily optioned car. This car has leather trimmed Recaro seats, tech package, sound package, 12 speakers, handling package, painted black roof. That brings us to striped elite. That's what makes the car look different. Take notice of that. Car's got 1,800 miles on it. My personal car. I ordered this, used it some, put it away, because I just loved opening the garage door and looking at the orange. It's not for everybody, but for the people it's for, you're going to be a very few number, because this is, I believe, now I'm sure somebody's going to tell us, lowest production color of a GT500 in 2022. Don't miss it. It's a great car. It's the one you want. So here in the trunk of the 2022 GT500, all the extra stuff. Oh, there's the boxes for the dealer installed items. If you're a Shelby person, we saved even the boxes. Keep going. Whoops. Here's the books, still with the new mats, never opened. Look at that. Information came in these folders. Delivery stuff. This probably would have been the gurney flap in the back. Oh, the seat covers, serial numbered. Would have come. Oh, build sheet. All the good stuff. You know the crazies. They love this stuff.
My name's Carroll Shelby, and performance is my business.